Let me assure the nation that with the help and mercies of Allah Almighty and support of people, we will not lose an inch of this sacred land. And from here on, you all shall be contributing to the same cause and great enterprise. I very proudly salute the valor of the people of Pakistan, every soldier, sailor, airman, the brave men, women, children and elderly who laid their lives during these testing times, and to the Ghazis who fought with utmost conviction to defend the motherland at all cost. The national leadership, bureaucracy, scholars, scientists, media, academia, and most importantly the youth deserve rich tribute for standing firmly against aggression. Our Shohda, who have sacrificed for the creation and later preservation of this great country, deserve highest recognition. We owe our deepest respect for the martyrs and their families, because of whom we enjoy freedom and independence. You are the heirs of martyrs. Live worthy of their memory. My dear cadets, you should all be absolutely proud of the fact that you are being commissioned in one of the finest armies across the world, which is second to none, respected by all and sundry. This demands your absolute loyalty to Pakistan, to the armed forces, and the sacred task being entrusted onto your shoulders. It warrants highest standards of courage, conviction, discipline, and professionalism. It demands your blood and toil and consistent hardship rise up to the expectations of the people of Pakistan and to the standards commensurate to the trust reposed in you. Remember, our enemies are hell-bent upon driving a wedge between our people and armed forces for their ulterior motives. Let me remind them that the bond between the people and armed forces is unshakable. For you all, nothing should be more sacred than the safety and security of the people of Pakistan, and no duty more binding than the defense of our beloved motherland. Ladies and gentlemen, the defense doctrine of Pakistan is predicated on credible deterrence and perpetual readiness, encompassing the full spectrum of capabilities. As a professional standing army, our conventional prowess through constant doctrinal and technological evolution has been optimized into a dynamic, integrated, and adaptive force. You should all understand the need for intellectual readiness and technological advancements, embrace innovation, lifelong learning, and adaptability to meet modern threats. The battle-hardened army, which has fought for over 2 decades in the sub-conventional domain, has successfully displayed its capabilities in conventional domain as well by delivering a swift and decisive blow to the adversary. Should a fresh wave of hostilities be triggered, Pakistan would respond much beyond the expectations of the initiators. With diminishing distinction between combat and communication zones, the reach and lethality of our weapon systems will shatter the misconceived immunity of India's geographic vastness. The deeply hurting retributive military and economic losses inflicted will be much beyond the imagination and calculations of the perpetrators of chaos and instability. I advise and firmly caution the Indian military leadership that there is no space for war in a nuclearized environment. Settle the core issues with Pakistan as per the international norms on the basis of equality and mutual respect. We will never be intimidated nor coerced by your rhetoric and shall respond decisively beyond proportions to even a minor provocation without any qualms.